Handke here, like Oswego's transformational voice teacher, and thank you for joining me today for this video about pitch. Now, on the topic of pitch, let's talk for just a moment about the subject of vocal fry. Vocal fry, like harsh onsets, is something that's very common in American English culture, and again, even in professional speakers, and it sounds a little bit like this. Now, see, I've dropped my pitch. I'm too low. My voice is all the way in the back of my throat, so to speak. I'm not resonant at all when I'm in vocal fry, and it sounds terrible. People can't hear you as well, and again, it's very common in our culture. So a lot of students that come to me that have been speaking for years in vocal fry, the simplest thing I can do to get them speaking in their authentic voice is to ask them just to ever so slightly raise their pitch. Well, what is pitch? Well, this is a high pitch, this is a low pitch, and there's all kinds of pitches in between. Obviously, as singers, we always want to sing our notes on pitch, right? But even just for speakers who are having issues being heard, might be falling into vocal fry, just ever so slightly raising your pitch, as opposed to talking down here, can make an enormous difference. Also, I've been told by colleagues and students that people who artificially try and lower their voice, which for some reason people do, I don't know why this is, but it can lead to damage on the vocal folds. Again, having notes need to be removed and such like that. So we really don't want that. So if you're having problems being heard, if your voice sounds gravelly, if you're falling into this vocal fry area, one of the best things you can do is simply raise your pitch. Bring your pitch up a little bit. Make sure that you're speaking with lots and lots of breath. One thing that really helps, remember in a previous video I was talking about my throat squeezer students, well, one thing that really helps is asking them to be a little bit breathy. Both raise the pitch and talk just a little breathier like this. Like I put my hand right here in front of my mouth, I can feel the breath on my hand. And this makes that throat squeeze go away. So the throat relaxes, the pitch is raised, you're just a little bit breathy, and all of these combined will help keep you out of vocal fry and speaking and singing in your natural pitch and utilizing your natural, authentic voice. Thanks for joining us, and I'll see you next time.